It's chasing our daydream. Maui time. I am so excited for this episode. We're going snorkeling with Maui Snorkeling Charter. One of Maui's most popular snorkeling spots is the Molokini Crater, which we are headed to today. During World War II, this crater was used by American troops for target practicing. The reef and the island were damaged due to the bombing, but today you can only see a very few signs of military activities. Molokini is a crescent-shaped, partially submerged volcanic crater which forms a small inhabited islet located between the islands of Maui and Haloa. That was awesome. I'm so excited.
Huh?
I'm so excited. This is awesome. I love it.
Are you glad I did this for you?
I am. I was not expecting it when we were first coming to Hawaii.
Huh?
I was not expecting that when we first came to Hawaii that we would do one of these. It was not on my radar, and I'm glad we did it. I mean, I wanted to snorkel, but I thought we were just going to do, the closer to the beach. This is cool. Backside of the crater can be rough due to wind, surge, and strong current. So snorkeling the backside is all weather dependent and the captain's call. Snorkeling the backside wall of the crater is considered shelf snorkeling because it's in deep waters. There are many interesting cracks and crevices in the wall. Listen very carefully and you can hear whales. Oh, it's such a beautiful sound. It's a big world out there. It would be a shame not to experience it, so get out there and find your adventure. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Give me some comments and a thumbs up. Mahalo. Thanks for watching.